has a little bit of a
little space. Yeah, you can roll.
Right, but also what if it has like a little gully, or you know how sometimes in a field you have like a little stream?
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
Or something, so you want to just land like short as possible, you know, so just like that. Just,
so it's not like the regular landing.
No, you just want to
You don't think
down.
about, you just put it.
Yeah, just as long as, you know, even if it hits hard or something, nope, that's not more important is that you don't, let's say like, you see over there,
yeah.
You can land right in there, but you don't want to have to roll too fast.
There's no space to roll.
Right, so, but you could, like where you just stopped now,
yeah.
You did it, you stopped, right? You stopped in very short spot. You would have been, that would have
been fun. There?
Yep.
That's a good spot too.
Yeah, yep.
Looks like a palace.
A what?
A palace or a church.
Yeah.
Service 7.4 Northwest 2000 feet MSL, runway airborne receiver checkpoint out of service. Advise controller on initial contact. Do you have information, Mike?
Mike, I think he's open now. That's why he gives you information.
Yeah, so just say
Dutchess Tower Warrior and
on left downwind for runway 6.
Dutchess Tower Warrior 1047 Mike, and left downwind runway 6. Dutchess Tower.
Of viewer airborne receiver checkpoint out of service. Advise controller on initial contact.
Dutchess Tower 1047 Mike and left downwind runway 6 for touch and goes. Dutchess Tower.
Attention all aircraft, this is Dutchess Tower, class Delta services are resumed at this time. Information, Mike is now current Dutchess altimeter 3020, visuals to 24 is in use. Aircraft on the downwind, 47 Mike, runway 6, you are cleared for the option.
Thank you, Dutchess Tower, clear for the option. Dutchess Tower 47 Mike.
Okay, good. Actually, say you would prefer for the sun to land on 2-4 then. Right, because for the sun, I'd like you to land on 2-4. I'll ask him. Good morning, Dutchess Tower, 47 Mike. You know, with the sun, we'd prefer to actually land runway 24. If we could do that.
47 Mike, affirmative. Would you like to continue on 6 and then reverse, or you want to reverse course now for 2-4?
No, that's fine. We'll just right now land on 6 and reverse for 2-4. Thank you.
Roger that. Proceed as requested, and you can report inbound to 2-4.
Roger, proceed as requested. We'll report for 2-4. Okay, go power off.
All the way?
Yes.
So he said to take runway 6 and reverse
6,
2-4?
and then we'll go up 2-4 and just go circle around and land on 2-4-1. Okay. And then we'll depart. Okay, good. Get down to your approach speed. That's nice. Now just sort of use that as a glide. Looks nice.
Yeah, I can get it much later on.
Perfect. Don't even use this in that second notch. Keep turning.
Looks good now. Yep.
Yeah. You're on final here. All right, now one more notch. Now just land with 2 notches this time. You're going to come in a little faster because you're on just 2 notches.
Okay.
Now if you need power, you can always give it power. Very nice pitch. Very nice glide path.
Nice practice today.
Yes, very nice and calm.
No problems.
Just keep coming down. No, you're okay. Just hold it there. Yeah. Okay. Righty, take your time. Get in the center again. Flaps off or up. Okay.
1 notch.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
I got 1 notch here.
Right. You know what? I think I did it wrong, but he probably meant we were going to taxi and then take off.
Yeah.
But it's all right.
No problem.
That's just, sorry about that. 47 Mike, upwind, runway 6. If we could do a 180, come back for 24.
Absolutely. You can fly out, make a 180, and just report to inbound.
47 Mike, roger. We'll report inbound for 24. Alrighty, so
180 means what?
we'll just go out, turn around, come back and land.
Here.
Yeah. So just climb up to, go up to maybe like 1,000 feet.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is just make a circle and
Can you choose a runway from here, Hansi, to point?
yes. Okay, so just go, all right. And now he said report inbound, right? So we're, at this point you could say Duchess Tower, 47 Mike inbound for runway 24, power off.
Duchess Tower, 47 Mike inbound for runway 24, Duchess Tower.
Power back.
Warrior 47 Mike, runway 24, you cleared for the option. On the option, left closed traffic is approved.
Okay, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, Duchess Tower, 47 Mike.
Left. You read back what he says.
Okay.
And he said, you're cleared for the option, but one thing you didn't say back was that he said also turn left traffic after you, if you want to stay in the pattern.
Okay.
He said, make left-hand traffic, but,
okay,
yeah, we'll make one more. We'll stay in one more lane.
Got it, one more landing.
All right, but all the way off with the power. Slip it. Like that, all the way in. Pitch down, come on. Don't stall up here, so you gotta make sure you're... Still pitch down a little bit more, there you go. Wow, we're gliding good today, huh?
Very good.
Wow.
That's 70 now.
Okay, just...
The land we got before we got so sick.
Yep, just this is nice.
Okay.
I like this much better. It's easier to see. Okay, just hold it off. All right.
Was hard? No.
Oh my butt. You can do better than that. All right, go ahead. No, that was a good line. I mean, it was certainly, that's very acceptable.
Thank you, Hans.
See all these instruments ahead?
Yeah, that's for right.
That's for coming in for an ILS.
ILS. But you know what?
Light.
It was a good idea to get away from the sun.
Yeah.
A lot different.
For coming in for a landing, you can concentrate more.
Yeah.
Okay, left. Don't report until you're on. Don't say anything until you're on downwind. But just go ahead to the left.
Okay.
All right, then straighten out. When you're perpendicular like this. No, see how you're. Keep climbing. climb up to just 1,000.
1,000, check.
Even the pattern altitude is actually 1,200. But now you
report
say,
now?
Yes,
Yep.
say, right, Dutchess Tower, 47 Mike on left downwind for
runway 24.
Runway 24, touch and go.
Okay. Dutchess Tower 47 Mike, left downwind, runway 24, touch and goes. 47 Mike.
Warrior 47 Mike, runway 24, cleared for the option.
Give us the option. 147 Mike, thank you.
Okay, good, except one thing you didn't do.
What?
You didn't say 24. You said cleared for the option 47 Mike. You guys, you should also even say you're cleared for 24, but because what if you landed on 15?
Another one, yeah.
And then if something happened, they would get the recording. They would say, oh, you never answered the. Okay.
You're right, Hans.
Now normally he doesn't care, but in other airport they would make sure you
know the runway you landed at.
because they could be in trouble because
I get traffic from anywhere. Yep.
Well, no, let's just say you landed on another runway, right? And you weren't supposed to, or maybe there was some construction. Then they could go over to recording, and then you could always say, well, you never said
repeated,
yeah. You thought it was 15. You didn't repeat. So, but normally they want to hear you say you understand you have to land on 24. Okay.
Very good. Last landing?
Yeah, yes. All right, power off because we're going to slow it down. All right, land it with just land it with full flaps.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just keep a hand on the tool, just hold it a little bit with you. All right, we're coming plenty fast, so power off. All right, yep, you need flaps. All right. There you go, just look at those, like more or less the numbers.
Numbers, yep.
And then just kind of hold like that would be just, you're about 2 fingers right there. Just keep coming down. Have the airspeed. Gonna certainly make the runway.
65.
Yep. Pitch. Pitch down. Pitch down. Those numbers. Keep the pitch just where those numbers are. Coming down. Yep. There you go. You could start coming down. Now just hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Just like that. Yes. Okay. When you hear the stall warning, that's nice because that means you're just
slow.
Slow. So this time you could just say Dutchess Tower, 47 Mike, upwind.
Runway 24 and depart the pattern to
the pattern to the northwest.
Dutchess Tower 47 Mike, upwind runway 24 and request depart the pattern to northwest. 47 Mike.
Warrior 47 Mike, Dutch Tower, which direction is that?
We'd like to go northwest to Orange County.
We'd like to go northwest to Orange County.
Oh, Orange County. Roger that. You can depart to the northwest as requested. And the altimeter is 3020. Have a good flight.
3020 and depart the pattern. Thank you. Dutchess Tower 47 Mike.
Okay, flaps. Okay, now what's your current heading?
240.
Okay, so turn right now to 280. beautiful, not only a beautiful day, but what a scenery.
What's the bridge, Hans?
That's the, I think it's called the Mid-Hudson Bridge. It's at Poughkeepsie. That's the city of Poughkeepsie.
That's the Poughkeepsie, okay.
It's the city, and it's the, I always say the Poughkeepsie Bridge or
I need to know how to make the decision very quick. When we came out, I know Orange County is this way.
You need to make to go to how?
Like if I know somewhere else, like
yes.
Stewart.
Yes. How to get there?
Yeah, the degrees. Yeah, when I saw the airport, like.
You have to more or less. I just.
You're familiar with the area, I'm sure.
You're familiar, but otherwise on a map you would otherwise already say, okay, what kind of a heading, and also you could also just go opposite. We knew when we took off from when we were coming this way, right?
Yeah.
We knew the heading was roughly what? When we were coming east?
Like 90, around 90, I think, east?
Yeah, right. So going the other way would be about 270.
West. Oh, wow. Yep.
So just do a 180. Okay. Alrighty. So now say Duchess Tower, 47 Mike, we're over the river west. We're over the river westbound. Thank you, and request frequency change.
Duchess Tower 47 Mike, we are over Hudson River and we are westbound to Orange County. Request frequency change, please. Duchess Tower 47 Mike.
Alright, 47 Mike, frequency change is approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved, 47 Mike. Thank you, Duchess Tower. Have a good day.
Okay, very good. Your language, you're doing very good with the communication.
Not really, but it's alright.
Yeah, no, I think you are. Look at all they have a lot of vineyards here for growing grapes, and also trees for apple trees.
Oh.
But yeah, a lot of farming here.
Oh, I like the, as you have these straight lines.
Oh yeah, that's all, those are apple trees.
Apple trees.
And pear trees mostly.
All farming. If I forgot to call him and ask for frequency